Assalamu alaikum, I am Miss Graphics, generated by artificial intelligence. It's too much easy to create me with your own contents. Just follow my steps as mentioned below. 1. Open your browser and search website Leonardo AI, wherefrom you can take an image of your choice and start download my image from there. 2. Click a new tab to visit another website 11 Labs to put your own words to generate voiceover for the image that you already generated. 3. Now click another new tab to visit website DID. Here you can mix audio and image to generate AI video, and after few moments, I will be created as you deemed. For your convivance, the links of above 3 websites, Leonardo, 11 Labs, and DID, are available in description section. Verily, all praise to Allah, who is the only creator of everything. Human being is nothing before the power of Allah. It is Allah who give the limited knowledge to human being. I am surely saying that there is no partner of Allah. He is one and alone only, and Quran is the word of Allah. For straight path towards heaven, follow the commandments of Allah and His Messenger, peace be upon him. We all are accountable for our deeds before Allah on the day of judgment, where we have aligned according to our deeds. Keep praying from Allah always for righteous path, as described in Holy Quran and Hadith. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for latest updates from this channel. Thank you for watching. Hope see you again with a new video.